Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Don't face that court alone. Let the Wise Man team get you back on the road. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call the Wise Man team at Wise Man Lawyers.
Okay, this afternoon I'm at Cleveland Magistrates Court for a client who had lost their licence due to the accumulation of demerit points and engaged me to apply for what's called a special hardship licence. Basically, the way it works is if someone runs out of points or is given a high-speed suspension from Queensland Transport, well, I'll go back a step. If they run out of points, they'll get a letter from Queensland Transport saying, right, you've run out of points, you need to choose between either a 3-month driver's licence suspension or what's called a 12-month good driving behaviour period. If you're elected, as my client did, you'll then get a bonus 2 points to last you 12 months, and then if you then lose those points, you'll get a 6-month suspension or sometimes longer based on your history. So yeah, if you breach a good behaviour period or get a high-speed suspension, you'll lose your licence courtesy of Queensland Transport, and that's when you ring us and we can apply for what's called a special hardship licence. Basically what that is it's an order which overlaps the suspension, so you'll still be suspended, but an order will be made which, or if you're successful that is, which will overlap the suspension, permitting you to continue driving for work purposes or in certain circumstances medical reasons. My client didn't have any medical need to drive, so I was purely here to save his licence for work purposes. He was a self-employed plumber, so I drafted about an 8-page affidavit up, covered full profit and loss, obviously his business's income and expenses, his personal income and expenses, family situation, what happened on the day in question, difficulties he's going to suffer, what he's learnt, got him to do a reformatory course as we do with all of our clients. I spoke in the affidavit about, on his behalf, about what he'd learnt. Got him to get some references based on the template that we always give out. The suspension, when you file the application, the suspension is moved or pushed backwards to midnight the day before the court date. The court date was today, so he was able to drive right up until today. He and I went to court. I argued the application and I was successful in persuading the magistrate to grant his special hardship licence application. So short version is he's been granted a 24-hour-a-day, 7-day-a-week special hardship licence, so 24/7 he can keep driving for work, and for work purposes it's literally as if he hasn't lost his licence. Obviously he can't drive to the movies or do personal shopping or anything like that, but for work purposes he has not lost his licence, so keeps his business, keeps his income, he's happy, partner's happy. I'm Andrew Wiseman, and thanks for watching.
Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing.